You join me on a cold, windy, and rainy day, and I'm elbows deep in the TL. Well, I mean, obviously I'm not elbows deep. You can see I'm working at the top of the motor, but you're never going to guess what I'm working on. Yep, it's another power steering pump. What is up with these things? As you can see, it looks like the Exxon Valdez unloaded on the side of my motor. So I got myself a Gates rebuild kit, and it's time to rebuild the power steering pump. Hold on a second. Am I really going to work on it this dirty? I don't think so. Let's go clean it up.